What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and behind me we have the Hubcap. Now as you guys can see, the videos are kind of all over the place because I already painted this thing, but I installed these hubcaps before I painted the Hubcap. So the reason I'm making this video is because I wasn't gonna make this video. You see, you know what, let me just get straight to the point. These are OG P71 Crown Victoria hubcaps from 1998 to 2002. This is the Hubcap is a 2002 Crown Victoria. Now, installing hubcaps on these cars is actually a no-brainer. You just pretty much get them and stick them on. So I thought. So I ordered these hubcaps. I try to put them on, and you know what? Let me show you exactly what happened. Here we go. I got my hubcap. I was like, man, I'm so excited to install this thing. As you guys can see, it has a 3-lug pattern. You just pretty much, here we'll use the bottom one so you can see better. You line them up, as you guys can see, and then the third one will line up, and then boom, your hubcap is installed. Psych, no it's not. Boom, as you guys can see, it's not clipping. It's not clipping in. It's not clipping in. So I messaged the guy on eBay. I'm like, hey, I want my money back. These hubcaps don't work. You said it was for a 98 to 2002 Crown Vic. I have a 2002 and they're not working. Then the guy sends me a message saying, I believe he had a Russian accent. He says, you are not using the right lug pattern for the Crown Victoria. And I was like, what does he mean I'm not using the right lug pattern? These lugs is what came with my Crown Vic. But turns out the Russian guy was correct. Hence why this video is being made. As it turns out, guys, there is a special lug that holds your 98 to 2002 hubcaps, and it's definitely not that. If you have something that looks like this on your Crown Vic, you have the wrong lug nuts. That's because the correct lug nuts that you're gonna need are the ones with this washer style right here. This right here is the exact lug nut that you need in order for these bad boys to clip on. So once you have those lug nuts installed on your Crown Vic, these little holes right here, they actually grip on to the outer lip of this lug nut like that. Once you install it, you give it a nice bam, you give it a nice little bump, and the outer little edges of this these little crimpers right here, they're gonna grip on to that outer washer of this lug nut. But you might be asking yourself, Mr. Random, do you have a part number? How the hell can I order these lug nuts if I want to install this style of hubcap on my Crown Victoria? I got your answer, guys. There it is. There's the shiny one, brand new. This is exactly what you need. I also happen to have a part number for you guys as well. There you go. You can find this at your regular old local AutoZone. All right, guys, so all you have to do is keep in mind that it's going to be a star pattern, or actually no, it's going to be a triangle. Pretty much what you're going to want to do is take out these two right here. It's going to be a triangle. So I'm removing these two and this one as well. That's what you guys want to do. That's the actual pattern for the hubcap. So just so you guys can see the difference, we have our pyramid pattern going on there. Look at the difference. That's how these right here end up getting stuck. They end up trapping that hubcap because look how much further out they extend from the stock lug nuts that were on this thing. Yo! No, not these. Those. That's what it looks like when it's finally complete, guys. We got the OG 98 to 2002 hubcaps on the Crown Victoria. The reason I went with these is not only because I have a 2002, but like I said, you know, you don't see this too often. They're actually pretty rare, and it kind of keeps that deep dish look on the Crown Victoria. So there it is, guys. Like I said, this was a short video, but I had to make it because I know a lot of you guys who are trying to install those things might buy them and then you'll be highly disappointed and let down when you realize they don't fit, when in reality all you needed was just literally just 3 special lug nuts. So now I would normally end the video here, but we got one more thing. Now, these aren't just any regular dare stickers. You see, this has a different message to it, and that's dare to think for yourself. Something that a lot of people fail to do nowadays. Everybody just hops on a bandwagon. Everybody feels like they have to do things a certain way. Well, I'm here to tell yourself, man, just dare to think for yourself. Do your own thing. Don't be scared of what anybody has to say about your car. It's your build. Let them criticize you all they want, guys. At the end of the day, your car represents who you are. So remember, guys, dare to think for yourself.